Rachel. As a busy mom of 6 kids, I'm always looking for ways to make mealtime more efficient. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an entire month's worth of breakfasts in just 1 hour. I'm going to make breakfast burritos, and I'm even going to make some sausage French toast roll-ups that my kids love. I'm just gonna bake up these frozen potatoes for our breakfast rolls. Give it a quick stir, pop it in the oven until they're done. Meanwhile, I'm going to scramble up a whole lot of eggs and a big old thing of sausage. All right, for the French toast sausage roll-ups, all you need are 3 large eggs, a ½ cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that up. I like this soft white French bread. You're going to flatten it out with a rolling pin. Take a pre-cooked sausage link, put it in the center of the flattened bread, roll it up like a taquito. You're gonna dip it in the French toast mixture. So for your freezer breakfast burritos, all you're gonna do is take yourself a tortilla, just load it up. There's no rhyme or reason to this, you just go with it. A little bit of egg, potato, sausage, or bacon. Top it off with some cheese. Fold in the sides. Roll up your burrito. A little bit of saran wrap. Put in the burrito. Roll it up tightly. I then take all of my completed burritos and put them in a freezer-safe plastic bag. Get the air out and store them just like this. And then when you're ready, you just take out one at a time, roll it in a paper towel, microwave it for about 1 minute, flip it over another 30 seconds until it's fully warmed through. Boom.